Hello and welcome to another video about Power BI. So now we have downloaded Power BI desktop as well as installed the Power BI desktop. First time um, if you'll open up Power BI, you will be seeing this splash screen as well as the basic default interface. The splash screen covers getting started with some videos, getting started videos like getting started with Power BI desktop, building reports, the querying the report, as well as um, visualization part as well. There are some things that always updated by Microsoft. So every month they release a new version of Power BI with the latest features. We can also have visit the Power BI blog as well as the other tutorial. We can also download a sample data set from where we can play around, and of course we can have a guided learning as well in this regard. So yeah, that's what pretty much it for the splash screen. Um, Once this is the basic container, or you would say the canvas where you will add visualization. We'll connect the data accordingly. So basically we can import the data from Excel. This is the easiest way. Yeah, once you have a data file, we can upload and connect data from Excel. SQL Server is one, as well as you can create a data inside that inside Power BI desktop, and we can always have and try sample data set as well. Although there are multiple sources as well, these are the basic common sources which we can get data from, but there are lots of sources, which data sources which we can directly connect, and we will be going through each and every sort of a source overview in our later videos as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. In the next videos, we will be going through the menus and the elements of the interface as well. Thank you so much.